want to work on each other. Sometimes it's really hard to do this application on yourself because you're like twisting and, you know, trying to make sure you're relying 100% on gravity because it's self-leveling. So if you don't want to work on yourself, I'm sure you guys can work on each other, or of course you're welcome to do it on yourself as well. So the top coat that is in your kit is the Profile Super Top. This is just a very universal top coat, super shiny. We need to stick with a soakable because what we have underneath here is a soakable gel, which means it's flexible. Go ahead and go in. If you use a hard gel top coat, you're gonna see it shatter because the product underneath it is soft. So you need to make sure you're using a soft gel. Hi, Jill.
Hey, girl. Tell what company you're with.
Profiles Backstage.
Awesome. How far did you travel to be here at the Smokies?
Well, I was lucky. I only had to fly, but the rest of the group had to drive 14 hours
From
Cape Coral, Florida.
Awesome. Thank you for coming. I
Hey,
appreciate
thanks
it.
for
Enjoy your
having
class.
us.